Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable basic hair bow. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece that is long enough that I can fold it in half and lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. And this is the Mini Bowdabra ruler, which allows me to be more perfect in my dimensions for my hair bows. So we got to look at the right side of the ribbon. I believe this is the right side. So I'm going to go to the center, and I have 23.5 inches of ribbon here. So I'm just going to go down in the center. Then I'm going to fold this back over, and I'm going to go to 2 inches here. Then I'm going to scrunch that down. And I'm going to leave my tail going there, and then I'm going to bring this one over here, and I'm going to again make sure that I'm at 2 inches, which I am, and scrunch that down. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting, when I make the loops, I'm putting a little mountain in the middle of the loop, so it kind of shapes like this when I put it in, and that allows it to have the shape that I want. And this is going to just be my tail over here, and we're going to bring this loop back over here and scrunch it in, and this is going to be my tail on this side. So we'll bring that tail down, this tail up, so it's a 2-loop pinwheel bow. And we're just going to take our Mini Bowdabra wand, give everything a really good scrunch, and I'm going to bring this through my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to take it out, separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie it off and tie a knot. And then what I'm going to do is actually I'm not going to make a pinwheel bow. I'm going to bring both of these down this way, and I'm going to separate my loops, bringing them like this and like this, and bring this guy down here. And then I'm going to take, now I've got about a 4-inch piece of a 5/8 inch ribbon, and I've knotted the middle of it, and I'm just going to fold that over. And I would normally use a glue gun, but rather than using a glue gun on this one, I'm going to just use a Zot. So I'm going to just, a Zot is basically just a type of glue dot. And I'm going to bring this around here and take another Zot and put my Zot here, bring this little piece around over here, and we have our loops there, and you can see how all the loops match. And now what I'm going to do is take my little clip, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to bring my wire around like this, bring this wire around here, and bring it around twice. And then what I'm going to do is pull this up here, and I'm going to now take these pieces here, and I'm just going to start making a knot. And I'm going to now bring this back up, and I'm going to let them go below here. And now I'm going to just bring this around here underneath, because this is going to stabilize my clip. And remember that we have in the Mini Bowdabra with the hair bow tool, and now I'm just going to tie this off here. And this will make everything stable. And knot that. And on the Mini Bowdabra hair bow tool and ruler, we have all of the instructions for how to attach your clip. So now I have this really adorable little hair bow, and it's so cute and so simple to make. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.